here's how to separate audio from different applications in OBS. So obviously what you're gonna do, guys, is obviously you can see up here my audio mixer. This is just my microphone, and I have no other audio tracks, obviously, because I may want my game and some other ones like my music and stuff. So how we do this is you're going to come down to the sources right here, right click, go on the add. You got all of these different sources. We don't want to touch any of these really. The one we do want to touch is the application audio capture. Make one of those, and you actually can already see that I actually do have a few here, but we're going to name this one just say music 2 for now, just so I can show you guys this. Go ahead and press OK, and as you can see over here, it added another audio track just like we want. And now we can go ahead and choose any window that we want. So let me go ahead actually and open up my Spotify, which is right here. And obviously now that we have my Spotify open, we can go ahead and choose Spotify, which is right here, as you can see. So we can go ahead and select this window. This doesn't really matter. You can just keep it on the match title or otherwise, and then press OK. So now, as you can see, we have a new audio track. So obviously we can go ahead and change the volume of this. I'm gonna go ahead and just change it to about -15 for now, just so it's not actually loud for you guys. But if we go into Spotify and obviously just, you know, on my NCS playlist, we can go ahead and play a song quickly. As you can hear, you guys can hear that through the music. So that is how you separate different audio in OBS. This is basically really helpful just if you want to be able to control different tracks rather than just having the microphone and a desktop audio. For actually some of you guys, you actually may have a desktop audio here. Basically just doing this allows you to separate all of your different audio into different tracks, which over time will be really helpful. So I hope this video was useful, and I'll see you in the next one, I guess. Peace out.